Hello everyone, I am Sarojini, your English teacher of DAV Public School is going to take an interesting story. The story name is The Tale of a Tale. It is the story of Swaminathan who gets very much angry for a small reason also. Let us see in the story whether he could solve the problem or not. Let us proceed to the story, The Tale of a Tale. See the lines when I read. When Swaminathan entered V grade classroom, a giggle went round the benches. He walked to his seat, hoping that he might not be the cause of the giggling. But his classmates continued to laugh. And listen here, dear students, in this we can find the character Swaminathan is entering into the classroom, that is class 5. And when he enters into the classroom, he can find that some of them are laughing at each other, and he is also thinking that whether they are laughing because of him, he is not that cause. And he can also find that everyone were continuing the laugh, no one is stopping also. Now let us read the fourth line. He looked at himself and then around the classroom. His eyes traveled up to the blackboard. His face turned red. Now listen here. He don't know what is going on in the classroom. So he is looking at himself and he doesn't find anything, and now his eyes is going to the blackboard. And after seeing the blackboard, his face became red. That means he got very much angry now. And now see what the line is written. On the board was written in huge letters T-A-I-L. What the word is written? Letter is written T-A-I-L. That means tail. So now see what Swaminathan is going to do after seeing the word tail on the blackboard. Swaminathan ran to the blackboard and rubbed it off with his hands. He slowly turned around. Now, as soon as he saw the blackboard, he just went and erased everything. Now, he is looking around. See the line now. His friend Sankar's head was bent over his notebook and P was busy unpacking his bag. Now, you can find two names are written. One is Sankar and another one is P. They both are friends of Swaminathan. And now you can find Sankar is bending his head towards his notebook, and now P is very much busy in unpacking his bag. Something he is doing the work. Swami felt very embarrassed. Embarrassed means he felt ashamed of himself. Why they are doing like this behavior? And now see, without a word, he approached P and gave him a fierce slap to his cheek. Now see here, Swaminathan doesn't look anything. He just went near P and gave a strong slap. Free slap means very strong, which will be very painful also, to his cheek. P burst into tears and swore that he did not do it. And after getting the slap, P was crying and he was promising that no, I did not do anything. Now what Swaminathan is going to do? Let us see. See the lines. Swaminathan cast a sly look at Sankar, who was absorbed in some work. You can find that now Swaminathan is looking at whom? Here he is looking at Shankar. Now he is doing some work here. He is busy also. Swaminathan turned to him and slapped his face also. Now whom did Swaminathan slap? To Sankar. First he slapped to P and then now he slapped to Shankar. Now see what is going to happen. Soon there was a pandemonium. You can see at the bottom, meaning of pandemonium is written. The meaning is a situation in which there is a lot of noise and confusion. That means the classroom is fully disturbed and you can hear the noise from that classroom. And now let us see what is going to happen, dear students. Hope you are understanding up to this. Let us continue. Now see here, Sankar, Swaminathan and P rolling over each other, tearing, scratching and kicking one another. Now you can find, now the three of them began to fight with each other. Now see what is going to happen. The bell rang. The fight is going on and now bell is ringing. Just then Rajan, Somu and Mani entered. Now who entered into the classroom? Dear students, keep in your mind, who are they? Raja, Somu and Mani. Now the three of them entered into classroom. Now after them, who is entering? The teacher came in and stood aghast. Here you can find the meaning. Aghast is shocked. The teacher is shocked by seeing the situation, because already I have informed you that Swaminathan, Sankar and P are fighting with each other. By seeing this behavior, the teacher was shocked. Now see the line, dear students. He could do little more than look on. The teacher could not do anything because they were continuously fighting with each other. He was the old Tamil Pandit, the most composed teacher in the school, and this teacher is the Tamil teacher and he is very good in nature. Now see, Somu and Mani parted the fighters with great difficulty. Now I have told you the names, Rajam, Somu and Mani. From three of them, now two of them are involved here. Somu and Mani parted. Parted meaning is they have separated. Very difficultly they have separated the fight of Swaminathan, Sankar and P. I hope so you are understanding, dear children. Now listen. Somu said, "Sir, please let us go out. We do not want to disturb the class." Now you can find that this boy Somu is telling to the teacher, "Sir, please don't stay here and leave us alone. Let us do our work. Please don't involve in this matter." Now see, the teacher started to answer, but Mani had already gone out, pushing Swaminathan and P before him. Somu followed him with Shankar. Now you can find, after telling to the teacher here, Mani just went out, and after that, who is going back to them? Swaminathan and P. And listen here. Now again, here you can find Somu is also moving forward with Sankar. Now who are all went out? Dear students, see here, already I was telling that Swaminathan, P and Sankar were fighting with each other, and with them who involved? Somu also involved, and here Mani is also involved here. And now everyone went out of the classroom. Understood, dear students? Dear students, let us stop here, and in the next class let us see what is actually going to happen. So dear students, goodbye. I hope so you all understood. Thank you.